In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the app na2.hubspot.com platform effectively. Grab your favorite beverage, settle into your seat, and let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the trial guide page. This is where we will begin our exploration of the HubSpot ecosystem. You should see a robust interface brimming with possibilities. If you're excited, that's perfectly normal because HubSpot offers a wealth of features designed to make marketing seamless and efficient. Now that we've landed on the trial guide, the next step is a vital one. Look for the marketing option. Clicking on this will open up a gateway to a suite of powerful marketing tools. The marketing dashboard provides you with a bird's eye view of your marketing efforts, ensuring that you can monitor and optimize your campaigns with ease. Next, our journey takes us to the email section. This is your command center for all email-related activities. HubSpot's email functionality is incredibly robust, allowing for targeted, personalized communication with your audience. Here, you can manage your emails, set up automation, and track engagement metrics that matter most to your strategy. Now, let's shift our focus to analyzing your email campaigns. On your dashboard, you'll find an Analyze button. By clicking this, you're entering the analytical powerhouse that HubSpot offers. It's here that you can delve into the performance metrics of your campaigns, uncovering insights that will help refine and elevate your future email endeavors. Continuing on our insightful adventure, the next area you'll want to explore is health. This section is like a wellness check for your email practices. By engaging with this feature, you can gauge the overall health of your email activities, ensuring that your communications are reaching your audience effectively and engagingly. Once we've gleaned insights from your email health check, the next step returns us to marketing. This journey isn't just a loop back to where we started. Instead, it's an opportunity to apply the lessons learned from health analysis to refine and improve your marketing strategies. By reassessing your marketing approach, you'll be better equipped to drive your campaigns forward with confidence. Finally, to bring our session to a close, click on Campaigns. This feature allows you to manage and assess all active and past campaigns, providing a strategic overview that's essential for informed decision-making. Campaigns offer insights into every facet of your marketing initiatives, ensuring you're equipped to fine-tune your strategies for maximum impact. And there we have it, a seamless walkthrough of appna2.hubspot.com, designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools required to succeed in your marketing endeavors. With HubSpot's comprehensive suite of features at your fingertips, you are well on your way to mastering digital marketing like a pro. Thanks for joining today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.